Hello cuties! Welcome back to Jelly Bean Disc. Today I'm making this super cute aesthetic artificial planter. First, pick up some popsicle sticks and carefully cut the corners. Then mark the center of each stick with a pencil and cut them into 2 pieces. I cut many popsicle sticks like this until I had enough pieces. And yet, with so much cutting. Now take 2 tape rolls. I joined both tape rolls together using hot glue. You can use 1 large tape roll, but I only had 2 small ones. So DIY brain activated. And honestly, hot glue fixes everything. Now it's time to start sticking the popsicle sticks around the tape rolls. Slowly cover the rolls completely with the sticks. After adding some sticks, I used bamboo sticks to make the legs of the planter. I used 3 bamboo sticks to create a cute little stand. Then I continued sticking more popsicle sticks around the roll. Piece by piece, it slowly started looking like a real mini planter. I kept repeating this process until the whole tape roll was fully covered. Once everything was done, I painted the planter white. I painted both the outer and inner layers to give it a clean and aesthetic look. Cardboard circle and glued it underneath the planter to cover the bottom area neatly. And now comes my favorite part ever, making tiny plants using hot glue. I made lots of little leaves and honestly this part was so fun. Waiting for the glue to dry felt longer than my school homework. Once the hot glue dried, I carefully peeled off all the tiny plants. I painted all the leaves green and left them to dry. top layer of the pot we made. Now we have to place a foamy layer on top of that circle. I used foamy clay to place all the plants properly inside the planter. I also added some artificial flowers and plants to make it look fuller and extra pretty. This tiny planter turned out so cute and aesthetic. Tiny planter, but maximum cuteness. You can decorate it on tables, shelves, study desks, room corners, walls, and so many other places. It gives such cozy handmade vibes. I hope you enjoyed today's DIY video. Bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.